Welcome to the next episode of 10 archaic words that we need to bring back to life.
FIZGIG, a silly or flirtatious young woman, a coquettish girl inclined to gad or gallivant about. This word comes from the 1520s. It was derived from the Middle English word gig, meaning a frivolous woman.
Sounds like my kind of gal.
Yeah, for sure. Nothing wrong in that.
No.
That'd be something kind of American.
I don't know.
The first element of the word may be from FIZ, meaning an instance of flatulence, or from the word fist, meaning an act of breaking wind. The term FIZGIG is actually still used, apparently, in Australia, where it means a police informer or agent provocateur. I find that hard to believe because I haven't heard that word on any Australian TV shows.
No, it didn't come up in Neighbours, did it?
No, I don't remember Kylie or Jason saying it back in the day. Australians, let us know.
FUSTILUGS. This is a derogatory term for a woman of gross or corpulent habit.
Corpulent, I think, is sort of bulky fat.
Rude, isn't it?
Yeah, very non-PC.
Very. It is derived from fusty, meaning smelly, mouldy, or gone off.
Gets worse.
Lug meant to carry something heavy, in this case their body weight. I know we're trying to bring these archaic words back, but I think it's good that some of them have died.
I think we ought to keep that one in the crypt where it belongs.
Yes.
Scobolotcher. A scobolotcher is an idle person. I love that word, scobolotcher.
It's good, isn't it?
You have a go at saying it.
Scobolotcher.
Scobolotcher.
Just rolls off the tongue
It
nicely.
does, doesn't it? Yeah, you scobolotcher, you. Scobolotcher dates from the 1600s and its origins are obscure. The lotcher part may come from loiter, which means to hang around aimlessly.
Whiffle waffle. This is someone who wastes an awful lot of time. Whiffle means to make a soft sound or light movement of the air. You can still use waffle, can't you, to mean like to run on?
Yeah, I think waffle is actually a kind of British term. I don't think waffle is said in America.
Only with chicken, I think.
Oh, well, those sort of waffles, yeah. I suppose we just left the whiffle bit out.
Yeah.
It's too long, you know.
We didn't want to waffle.
We'll do waffle too much, so we'll stop the whiffle and
Yeah.
just waffle. Now we're waffling.
I know. Here is a prime example of waffling.
Okay, on a similar vein, let's look at the next word, taradiddle. It means telling a fib or pretentious nonsense. Its earliest documented use was 1796. The diddle part of the word is still used in slang today. Diddle means to cheat someone or deprive them of something. Like, he diddled me out of a fiver.
Our American YouTuber friend Dave from the channel Dave Collier Camping has given us the word gimcrack. I bet you're all dying to know what this word means.
Yes.
Well, I'll tell you. It means something of little value. For example, a trinket, bauble, or a gewgaw.
A gewgaw is a great word.
I'm just coming out with them all today.
Yeah.
Gimcrack was established in the 17th century.
Our YouTube subscriber Perry has given us a few suggestions. Let's talk about the word brainish. Brainish sounds like it could be an old-fashioned version of brainy, but it is in fact an archaic word meaning headstrong, impetuous and passionate. The first known use of the word brainish was in 1530. To clarify this, we'll take a line from Shakespeare.
And in this brainish apprehension kills the unseen good old man.
Anita from the YouTube channel OmaFarAway loves the word QUOTH. Well, we love it too, Anita. QUOTH basically means said and comes before the subject of the verb. It can now be said in a slightly humorous manner. I blame the referee, quoth he. QUOTH was first recorded in English way back in the 12th century. It has been used in literature by Shakespeare and by Edgar Allan Poe, as in the line, quoth the raven, nevermore.
YouTuber Altoona Your Piano has also given us several suggestions. Thank you so much. The one we're about to discuss rhymes with the previous word quoth. Troth. To plight thee my troth or to pledge thee my troth means to promise to be faithful in marriage.
Yeah, it used to always be part of the marriage ceremony, but I don't think it is normally now, although you can have it in still, apparently.
Yeah, I guess you could, yeah. Troth basically means truth, and to plight your troth means to swear your loyalty. This pledge is now seen as somewhat old-fashioned. Do you want to bring it back? let us know and we'll see what we can do. YouTuber John from the YouTube channel Cooking Around the World likes the sound of the word waisgoose. The most likely origin is the word wegsgoose, which was current in early modern Dutch.
We'll have to ask our lovely friend Anita about that.
Yeah, how's my pronunciation, Anita? The word literally means way house. Way house. The word literally means way house and was one of several English words that meant inn. It was also a term used for a banquet. John tells us that at one time a waisgoose was an entertainment given by a master printer to his workmen. This was done each year on or about St. Bartholomew's Day. It marked the traditional end of the summer and the beginning of the season of working. Later, it just meant the outing that the master printer would organise each year for his workers. Very generous, these master printers, aren't they?
They're the sort of chaps to work for, aren't they?
Indeed.
Yeah.
Our research shows that there are still various waisgoose festivals that occur in Canada and North America.
Which word is your favourite from the words we've mentioned today? Which word do you want to bring back to life?
Have you got a word that you'd like us to talk about in our next video? If you want to throw yours in, then leave it in the comments section below. Don't worry, Perry and Altoona, your piano, we'll have some of yours coming up for sure.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share with a friend, and follow us on Newsbreak.